All right, Chad. So basically what you've got is your CenturyTel modem for your T1, and that's connected to this TrendNet router. And so as we can see, we're going out of the CenturyTel T1 modem, coming out by Ethernet cable, and then going over to the TrendNet. Now the problem is this TrendNet is literally a $25 router. I really don't know why we have that connected to the rest of your network. Okay, so from the TrendNet, we go by Ethernet cable through the wall to the what I'm going to call the back office area and into the Cisco switch. Now, it appears that the Ethernet cable comes from the TrendNet into the patch panel, and then from there, so we can see all the cables coming out of the patch panel. And from there, it goes over to the Cisco switch, which basically just distributes traffic across the internet. And it goes to the Netgear router, which to me looks like it's only serving the purpose of providing wireless. Your Cisco 881 router that's sitting there, it's just coming into the WAN port, and there's no leads coming out on what's called the LAN side, so it looks to me like that Cisco's just sitting there doing absolutely nothing. So I'm not really sure why that they have a really cheap, inexpensive router controlling your entire network with a nice Cisco router that would be better able to manage your traffic sitting there. Now the good thing is, because you already have that Cisco, we can use that to do the VPN services on the Shreveport side and then connect to West Monroe. And what we're going to have to do is, if you look in this revised drawing here, we're going to need another Cisco to put in West Monroe, and we will bridge the internet connection from the DSL modem in West Monroe to the Cisco. So the Cisco in West Monroe will control the network there. It will provide VPN connectivity back to the Cisco in Shreveport, which we will set up to control your network in Shreveport, and the TrendNet's got to come out of there. Now, the one other thing that I'll say is, you have a CenturyTel, I believe it's a T1 connection in Shreveport, and to be honest, you really don't have much bandwidth there. T1s are great for pure dedication, but as far as total bandwidth, what most people think of as speed on the internet, your connection lacks a lot. And then, of course, the other thing is the whole email setup with CenturyTel, but we can talk about that later.